This is an Efficiency is Everything article summary on reverse engineering Gatorade to save money. Now, the idea here is that we can use chemistry and specifically stoichiometry to figure out how much sodium chloride to get the amount of sodium that is in a Gatorade, and similarly potassium and how much potassium chloride we need. And the Gatorade bottle also just tells you how much sugar you need to add to get basically the same drink. So doing that, we found for about 600 milliliters, which is 2.5 cups of water, add 0.6 grams of salt. It's just your regular table salt, sodium chloride. 0.12 grams of no salt, so that's potassium chloride, doesn't really matter what brand, but I've seen it called no salt. And then 35 grams of sugar, so that's 2 tablespoons of sugar. And then if you want it to taste good, add some citric acid. Now citric acid is just tastes good. My wife actually likes when I add way more than what we think is in a regular Gatorade, so we might even have some fun with it. And I'll put the quantities in the description and maybe some other reading in the article. For instance, if you want to make Pedialyte or like Coke, you can reverse engineer that too. So those values are on the site, and I also have it in different units. So anyway, by doing this, you can pretty much get your Gatorade or Pedialyte fix. I know that when I'm sick, I don't want to run to the grocery store to buy Gatorade or a Pedialyte, so this is a way to get those electrolytes and save money while you're at it. Hope this was useful. Take care, guys.